Specific heat capacity. Heat capacity of a body when expressed for the unit mass is called the specific heat capacity of the substance of that body. It is denoted by the symbol C. The specific heat capacity, C, is the characteristic property of the substance and is different for different substances. Thus, specific heat capacity of a substance is defined as the heat capacity per unit mass of a body of that substance, i.e. specific heat capacity C is equal to heat capacity of body C dash upon mass of body M. From equation C dash is equal to Q upon delta T. Therefore, specific heat capacity C is equal to Q upon M multiplied by delta T. In other words, we can define specific heat capacity as follows. The specific heat capacity of a substance is the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of unit mass of that substance through 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin, i.e., specific heat capacity. C is equal to amount of heat energy supplied upon mass multiplied by rise in temperature. Unit of specific heat capacity. In CGS system, J per gram per degree Celsius. In SI system, J per kilogram per Kelvin. It is accepted as J upon kilogram degree Celsius or J per kilogram per degree Celsius as the rise in temperature of 1 Kelvin is equal to 1 degree Celsius. If calorie is the unit for measurement of heat, then the units are 1. Col upon G degree Celsius or col per G per degree Celsius. 2. K col upon kg degree Celsius or kcal per kg per degree Celsius. It is useful to remember 1 calorie per G per degree Celsius is equal to 4.2 joules per G per degree Celsius. 2. 1 kilocalorie per G per degree Celsius is equal to 4200 joules per kg per degree Celsius. Mutual relation between heat capacity and specific heat capacity. Heat capacity. C dash is equal to Q upon delta T. 1. Specific heat capacity. C is equal to Q m delta T. 2. From these two equations we get C is equal to C dash upon M. C dash is equal to MC. Heat capacity is equal to mass multiplied by specific heat capacity. This equation relates the heat capacity of a body C dash to a specific heat capacity C of its material. The table 10.2 gives specific heat capacities of some common substances. Table 10.2 Specific heat capacity of some common substances. Substance joule per kilogram degree Celsius or joule per kilogram Kelvin, calorie per gram degree Celsius or calorie per gram Kelvin. Water 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius 4186 1.000. Methyl alcohol 2549 0.609. Ice 10 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius 2093 0.500. Steam 100 degrees Celsius 2009 0.480. Benzene 1750 0.418. Wood typical 1674 0.400. Soil typical 1046 0.250. Air 50 degrees Celsius 1046 0.250. Aluminium 900 0.215. Marble 858 0.208. Glass typical 837 0.200. Iron steel 450 to 0.108. Copper 387 0.09 to 4. Silver 236 0.0564. Mercury 138 0.0330. Gold 130 0.0310. Lead 128 0.0305. Table 10.3 Difference between heat capacity and specific heat capacity. Feature heat capacity. Specific heat capacity. Definition: amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of a given mass by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. Amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 unit mass, 1 kilogram or 1 gram, of a substance by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. Symbol C-C. Formula C- is equal to Q upon delta T. C is equal to Q upon M delta T. Units: joules per degree Celsius, J degree C, or joules per Kelvin, JK. Joules per kilogram per degree Celsius, J kg point degree C, or joules per gram per degree Celsius, JG point degree C. Depends on mass. Yes, it depends on the total mass of the substance. No, it is an intrinsic property independent of the mass. Intrinsic. Extrinsic property depends on the amount of substance. Intrinsic property depends only on the type of substance. Example: large for larger masses. Example: a swimming pool. Fixed for specific substances. Example: water, 4.18 joules per gram per degree Celsius, copper, 0.385 joules per gram per degree Celsius. Application: used to calculate the total heat needed for heating or cooling a specific object. Used to compare how different materials absorb or release heat.